All aboard with 50, signing on to have some fun. We're shipping out for 50, there's enough for everyone. Enjoy yourself with the 50 crew.
Come on and enjoy yourself.
There's room on deck for you.
Enjoyment is the only way to go.
Take 5 for 50 ale and then take 5 for 50 ale again. Enjoy
Put more life in your living.
with 50 ale.